This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's July 18th, 2019. This one I got a call from call for an older lady where the AC's not working a couple of towns over. I don't know if I can go over there and see if I can get it going for her. I don't think I've ever worked for this lady before. So we'll go over there and see if we can get this, probably an older system. See if we can get it running for her, see if we can get the cooling going for her. Get a lot of these comments on some of my video, oh, you should do this, you should do that, you should do this, you should do that, you know. Yeah, there's a flipping list of things that should be done. Most of the time you go there and you get it going for the people, they ain't got no money. And just do what you gotta do to get it going. Everybody's a super tech.
Turn left on County Street.
Oh yeah. So the filter is changed.
Yeah.
Yeah, turn it on cooling and turn it down. Turn it to cooling. Turn it down.
Yeah. I know, I
so
can't see without my glasses. You see?
Oh yeah, he's got it turned all the way down, so we're good there. Yeah. And fan automatic. Yeah, so that's good. We'll put it on like on 70. So the filter's here, it's been changed.
Yeah, it's freezing up at the
oh, it's probably low. But you're gonna have to keep this filter changed 20 by 20. I'd get a couple of them. And then as they get dirty, change them.
Yep.
Okay? Yeah, it don't look too bad, but I would definitely get probably the other style to give you a little bit more airflow.
Right.
Or if you're gonna buy this style, buy the cheap ones so they get more airflow, okay? Because we got airflow issues here.
Gotcha.
It's probably low on Freon if it's icing.
Yeah, it's icing, yep.
Yeah, so we'll fix that.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's been freezing, you know what I mean? Yesterday it was like a popsicle.
Yeah, it's 22. 02. 02, so that's 17 years old.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
47. So we gotta get some, try to put some Freon in it. I mean, it's 22, so it's a little low. Let me get my jug, we'll try putting some free gas in it and see what happens.
Right. That should raise the
yeah, that superheat should be around, you know, if it's got a TXV, should be around 10 or so, 10, 20. The subcooling around 11, 12, but this is definitely low.
Low, yeah. Okay, yeah.
If we get some Freon, we'll try putting some gas in it. Give it a little juice. I'm gonna get a dark color. I'm gonna hit this. It doesn't look too bad, but put some gas in it. The coil's somewhat dirty. I'm gonna hit it with the hose. Take it apart and hose it all out with the hose. From the inside out. Yeah, it makes a big difference if the coil's dirty, you know.
Oh, yeah, right. Makes sense, yep.
So it doesn't hurt to come here, but even if you hit it from the outside every so often, to make sure it's clean.
Right. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah.
Subcooling was about low before it was 20.
On that big filter up there, what's that? Change that like one, what, once?
When it's dirty.
One is, yeah. Yeah.
Check it every 3 months. Let it run for a bit because it just hit it with the cold water. We did hit it pretty good with that hose. Alright, so this is what we got here. We got our suction pressure up, right? 72, so that's above freezing. We were 40 before, that's why it was icing. Our superheat's okay at 14. Our subcool's a little bit higher than I like to see at 25. But I think that should come down because we just hit this with the garden hose too, you know? But that is a little bit higher than I'd like to see. We might be starting to have an issue upstairs if there's a TXV up there. It might start to, but this isn't going to freeze like this.
Yeah.
So we'll let it go like that for now. And see at 72, we're not going to. You want to see what it is at 72? The pressure, temperature. 72 is 42 degrees.
42.
So obviously it's above freezing.
Above freezing, right?
So before it was 40, right?
Yeah.
And that was 17 degrees.
So that, yeah.
So that's why it was icing up.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like a popsicle for Christ's sakes.
So that should be around 10. I mean, the subcool's a little bit higher than I'd like to see, but we did clean the coil good. Yeah. So that TXV upstairs, if there is one, most likely there is, it's starting to act up a little bit. Guys, I did have that top off, and I did hit it with the hose good from the inside out. I sprayed the outside good too. Subcooling's a little bit higher than I like to see, but